back, and from where we left, we were editing package.json. We added nodemon, and the nodemon ensure that our server runs if there are errors, it doesn't stop until we save the changes. So we don't want to have issues during development. Our server is down. Okay, that one is sorted, and I've made our server to run on port 3000. Okay, so from now we are able to create admin.js where we are going to configure all admin actions. Now I just want us to model the structure of our database. I'm going to use okay, our server is running, you can see port 3000 Express. I'm going to use draw.io to demonstrate what's happening on our server side. Just to show you more, I'm going to draw.io and click maybe decide later. Now we have our product there, and the text document which we created. Let me just open it. It is here. This will the description will also help us model our server. Now I'm going to come up with the you should come up with the use case diagram which shows how data will flow within the system, user and admin. I'm going to show you the table design. Draw.io will help us, and here I'm going to create a let me click on flowchart. Checking on internal storage. I can click on table. Yes, can search on tables there, and this one, and according to this table design, I'm going to have table called products. Now here we are going to have ID, product ID from our text document here. Let me just have this video play here next. Let me just have this one here. So we are going to have name. We are going to have model. Let me just duplicate this. single table. I just want to duplicate single column. After model, we are going to have image. Our product has one image, but I want us to have two images, so I'm going to name it first. Okay, let me make one to be card image, and it's just an image. And we have description, and we are going also to have discount, which means a product can be given a discount from our image. The discounts are shown somewhere there, so in terms of percentage, or there's a price or discount. Anyway, from there you can see the program product name or title, but I'll just give it the name, like that t-shirt. It has got one image. It can have many images, but I have card image there. I've also added another image just to ensure everything is catered for. But we should also know this product, they are being created by admin. So in relationship database, you can point this product table to admins. Yeah, I'm not going to dig deep into that. It is a full stack application. In case of some addition, some functionality, you may just verify certain properties of admins, something like that. Anyway, this is the structure of the product table. Yes, this should be good to go. Let me just save this. Tables. Let me save it on my download. Tables. Let me just also save copy on my Google Drive. Okay. So from there, let us continue to our server. Here we are going to configure all admin functionalities, just as it has been done here. We are going to do the same here. Initialize Express router root.get. Now this one is get.